Guys, today I want to talk about manual sourcing, why you should do it, and how you should do it. Because I often talk about it. I often say that, when I started, not exactly when I started, but, after I got my period with, my era, my tactical arbitrage era, I did a lot of manual sourcing, right? And I see a lot of you guys think that you do a lot of manual sourcing, but you do not find stuff. And I think you guys are looking at the wrong place, to be honest. So, this is what I'm going to talk about it. This is what I'm going to talk about today, I should say. And before we do, we have a Discord server. So if you want to ask any questions about Amazon, about selling on Amazon, if you have any questions, if you want to reach out to me, best place to do it, Discord server, link in the description. All right, I'm always over there hanging out, answering every single question we receive on a Discord. I can still do it, but the channel is growing every day, so the Discord is growing every day, is going to grow every day as well, right? So join the Discord server, take advantage of this as long as you can. Right now it's still the case, so yeah, let's get into the video. So I think a lot of you guys do not understand what purpose manual sourcing serve, and it's you need to use this tool smartly, because like if you manual source a whole website that is on tactical arbitrage just because you do not want to spend $80, you are just dumb. All right, you are just dumb. This is not the way you should do manual sourcing, right? You should be super strategic with your time when you do manual sourcing. Do not just go and like check every single product on a website that you could scan with tactical arbitrage or tactical expander. All right, just get the money, like spend $80 on tactical arbitrage, spend $20 on tactical expander. It's just $100 a month, instead of spending like 10 hours a day doing the work manually yourself. It does not make sense. It does not make sense at all. You need to be super strategic and look for specific things. What are those specific things? The first one, and I often talk about it, I made a lot of videos about it, is bundles. Because tools are not going to be able to get the products on bundles. So let's take an example. Let me just open Sephora, right? So we are on Sephora, we can look at the sales. So, because of course you always want to look at the sales. Do not, and I probably need to zoom in more. I'm gonna come closer. Do not manual source products selling at MSRP. You are going to waste your time. You are going to waste your time a lot. You're just throwing time out of the window if you do this. It does not make sense at all. Because product that you find at MSRP, like if you look for products that are selling at MSRP to find products profitably to sell on Amazon, like let's say if you look at a sale, maybe one product every 50 products is going to be like something good, right? If you look at a sale at the sales section on the website, if you look at MSRP products selling at MSRP, one product, like one in every 10,000 product maybe is going to be a product that is profitable. And for how long? I don't know. But you're gonna get people like using tools and finding those products and making it tank anyway, so do not do that. Do not do that, all right? It's gonna be a waste of time if you do this like with manual sourcing. But you can scan Sephora with tactile arbitrage, right? Let me just close this. You can scan it, but there are some products, and I've said it a couple of times, there are some products that are not going to get pulled on tactical arbitrage, right? So anything that is on bundles, this is why I insisted in bundles as a first point. So, for example, this is not going to get pulled on tactical arbitrage because it is a bundle. Tactical arbitrage is not going to look at both products that is inside and then, try to find a match. It's not, all right? So look at the bundle. When you source manually, look at the bundle. So you're going to pay $12.50 for each product because the price is $25. You divide this by 2 because on this bundle, there's 2 products. And should we look for it on Amazon? Maybe not. You look for it on Amazon. Maybe you can find it profitably. I don't know. Maybe, you know what? Let's look at it. Let's just look at it. So, we're gonna use seller amp, and yeah, you can sell the bundles, but you see that usually bundles like that do not really sell. But I think this is the first product on the bundle, and I think this is this one. So it's gonna be profitable because if we get this at $12.50, and I don't know if it sells fast, but you guys get the idea, right? Let's assume it's the right product. If it sells at 26. It's profitable. No, I don't think it's the same product. Elastic mascara. Yeah, it is the same. I don't know if it's the same size though. Let's look at it quickly. But you guys get the idea, right? So usually when products sell in bundles, they are discounted, right? So let's just look at the size. Yeah, it's the same product. So I guess if you want to make money, look at it, make sure it's the same color, and check if the other product is profitable as well. If the other product is profitable as well, here you go, profit. If not, I don't know what to tell you, but like look for the product. But you get the idea, right? Start looking for bundles before looking for, like, instead of looking for every single thing on this page. So it would not make sense for you to, as I said, to look manually through this whole page. It would not make sense at all, because you are going to waste your time. You can just scan it. Why would you go through it manually? Go only to the things that you know are not going to get pulled, right? So that's the first thing that you should look at. No. There are some other instances where a software is not going to do a great job, right? And I found an example on Google, on CVS.com. Here you go. Sorry, I'm losing my words. I found another example on CVS.com. So you see that if this was a buy one get one free promotion, it would be easy to scan because it's just 50% off, right? But right here you have something a little bit different. It's buy one get one for 99 cents. Now, if you wanted to, you could make it work with Tactical Expander and then, you know, exporting the stuff in a spreadsheet and then making the calculation how much you're gonna pay. But like you can probably do 50. You can still probably do 50% and then add $45 as a prep cost to make it work on Tactical Arbitrage. But and I'm not even sure you can scan CVS and Tactical Arbitrage. But typically, those promotions are going to be harder to scan, right? So like, for example, if it's some stuff like buy $150, get $50 off, stuff like that, you know, it's not going to... you're going to have some instance of some promotions that are going to be harder to scan, right? So you want to, and let me zoom in, you want to look at those promotions because it's not as easy to scan, so you have an advantage, right? As a human, it's easier for you to do this stuff than for a machine, right? For software. So you would want to look at promotions that look like this, that you think are going to be harder to compute by software, so people are not going to like scan them, right? If it's the case. No, right there, you could walk around it, but like, you know, like these products are on Walgreens. So if you source Walgreens, if you source this brand, and if you see this video today, the day I'm releasing it, maybe check, check that stuff and see if you can make it work. Maybe you can find some profit. I don't know. I haven't checked, but as I said, do try to use your time wisely when you do manual sourcing. Do not go and source. I don't know. Do not go on Walgreens. No, not Walgreens. No, Walgreens is not a good example. But do not go on Bed Bath & Beyond. For example, when Bed Bath & Beyond was a website that was working. Do not go on Bed Bath & Beyond and start sourcing manually. You are going to waste your time. Scan the website and then do some rabbit trails. I have a whole video on rabbit trails. But like, if you want to do some manual sourcing, the closest thing to manual sourcing that will actually work is doing some rabbit trails, right? On a website like that with a huge database of product, because if you just go and do it manually, you're not going to do 400 page manually. All right, you're going to be miserable, you're going to waste your time, you're not going to make money. Go where you have an advantage, against the software, because you're not going to beat the software. So why would you go manually through a list of products that a software can scan, right? Only do this if you have an advantage. If you know a specific brand that you want to look for, if you have a lead, and you can do some rabbit trails. If there's a promotion that, like this one on CVS, that, you know, is going to be harder for a website to actually compute the cost, do this. Do not go on the whole website and check every single product manually. All right. No, with Nike shoes and stuff, it's not it's different, you know. But start using tools. Use Keepa. Use the Keepa product finder. Look at the brand and then compare what's on the website and what product from this brand are selling fast. Do this, all right? You can filter down. You can try to compare stuff, and it's going to be easier for you to make it work, right? Do not go through it manually. You're going to waste your time. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful. Watch those videos on the screen. I release a new video every single day. No more hours, no more specific hours. I'm selling on Amazon. Thank you for watching. Join the Discord. I'll see you tomorrow for a new video.